Wanted man captured in Cayman Island, now in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Cayman Island Custom and Border Control Service has confirmed that Rudolph Shaw, also known as Boxer, was removed from the Cayman Islands to Jamaica. Shaw arrived in Jamaica on Wednesday afternoon, according to information posted on the Custom and Border Control website. Shaw, a Jamaican, is wanted in Jamaica for several serious offenses, including murder. He was arrested in the Cayman Islands in early July 2022 and charged with illegally entering that country. Shaw was escorted to Jamaica on July 27, 2022 by CBC Royal Cayman Islands Police Service and was handed over to the Jamaican authorities. Earlier this month, officers from the Cayman Islands Firearm Response Unit traveling in a marked service vehicle approached a vehicle with two occupants, one of whom was Shaw. The occupants of the vehicle attempted to evade the police and rammed into the police vehicle, causing their vehicle to become disabled. Police captured Shaw, however the other man escaped on foot. The Jamaica Constabulary Force said that Shaw was previously pursued in Jamaica by the Giant Anti-Gang Task Force and other police units but managed to elude capture before leaving the island by boat. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.